Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video we are going to be unboxing the Trezor white color. They do make it in a black one as well. The white one was a little bit cheaper and in stock. Amazon actually has these for a really good price right now. I'll link it in the description box below. First thing off the top of your head is you're like, maybe I don't want to purchase it on Amazon because of a security risk. Well, the good news about that is that if you are worried about it, obviously it does come with saran wrap all the way around and some security seals there, but obviously that's very easy to forge. And if you're worried about not buying it directly from Trezor and having to deal with the long shipping time from Europe, obviously it's made in the EU, just like Ledger Nano, then what you can do is after you open it up, reset it. So don't fire it up and program it right off the bat. You want to do a reset on it before you even start it, meaning that if for some oddball reason the Amazon seller has fiddled with it and you're thinking he's going to steal your coins, reset it before you start it, meaning fire it up and then reset it all over again, or set it up and then reset it all over again. It's going to be a little bit time consuming, but for added security, it's worth it. Anyway, I ordered it on Amazon. This is exactly what it looks like. Phenomenal reviews on Amazon. Again, linked in the description box below. Let's go ahead and open it on up, see what we got. And it even has a warning on the back of it saying that if you suspect the package has been opened by someone else, keep the box as is and contact Trezor support. So again, we have security seals up on top and bottom. Those are sealed. Everything looks good. We'll slide my scissors right through the bottom here. And let's slide this guy on out and see what we got. Okay, that is your personal recovery seed list right here. This is the list, obviously, that you write down your security seeds. Never show this to anybody. And if you do have a security deposit box at the bank or a very high secured vault, fill that out, make a Xerox copy, put that in the vault. You lose this, you lose your coins, unfortunately. If you lose your Trezor and you have this list, you can recover on a new Trezor, reset it with these seeds. This is your lifeblood right here. Once you get those seeds written down on here, do not lose that. I have a Nano S, and my seeds are very well protected. Obviously, never store seed codes online, any computer linked to the internet. All right, here is our Trezor here. Very thin. We have a little packaging, of course. We'll remove that, doesn't matter. That's actually very, very thin and sexy. A lot thinner than I anticipated. When the box came, I was like, oh, okay. It's a little bit thinner of a box. I was used to the Ledger. We'll show you the Ledger here in just a second. And we have a micro USB to USB. It's pretty small. You're looking at about maybe 7 inches or so, 6-7 inches. And you have a little keychain thing, Trezor. Whip that around for a little keychain thing. And then, of course, your another personal recovery seed. So you have another one. So that's 2 of those. And you have a user manual right there. You have Trezor stickers and 4 Trezor stickers. So that's pretty cool. You can either make a Xerox copy or obviously you have 2 of the recovery seeds. That's pretty sweet. Other than that, not much here. Let's go side-by-side comparison to the Ledger Nano S. All right, guys, here is the size comparison from the Trezor to the Ledger Nano S right here. Of course, the Ledger Nano S flips out with its little screen right here and then folds back in almost like a little USB drive. The thickness, the Ledger Nano is a little bit taller, a little bit thicker. The Trezor is actually a really sexy device. I kind of like the design of the Ledger a little bit better with flip-in like that. But the Trezor is lighter and definitely nice. We have the little clip-in right there for your little wrist strap, and then the USB on the bottom here with the screen. Overall, looking forward to using my devices for maximum security for my coins. You guys have a wonderful day. If you guys want to see the unboxing of this video for the Nano and how to set that up, look in my channel below. I'll try to have that linked as well in the description box, but look through my channel. I have an unboxing on that and how to set that up. I'll have another video about how to set up your Trezor. You guys have a wonderful day. Take care. We'll see you guys in the next one.